Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix a security door system with that isn't functioning properly. So this is actually the electric magnet area, and there is no power going to it, so the indicator light is off also, but you can see the other power going to the connection and the biometric point, but the magnet itself has no power going to it, so the door doesn't lock automatically the way it ought to. Normally, if this is working properly, you're supposed to see an indicator there. The light is always there blinking, so that's where you know that the magnet is functioning. You can see it's like there's a break here, but to be able to confirm that there is a break there, I am going to go to the power supply area and then check if there is actually power coming into the cable. So I think that this is supposed to give out an amount, there's an amount of voltage that's supposed to come into this place. So when it doesn't receive that voltage, it is not going to turn on. So if the power supply there works, I'll come back again and I'll check it. So this is the security control panel, and then this is a switch that we use to connect all the doors together. So I'll show you one or two things inside, and this is what it looks like inside. It has an inbuilt battery also to power it on, so it doesn't go off when the electricity goes off. And then this is the second one. Each of them is supposed to take around 4 security doors. So you can see all the indicator for the doors, and then you can see that this is blinking, which means that power is coming here. So I'll check the main power supply also. If power is coming to the power supply and distributing properly, I'll go back and then I'll connect the cables and the problem is solved. So I've been able to connect the cable, and then I have been able to put some insulation on it so that it doesn't breach. You can see the light indicator is showing now. So if I close the door, it is going to magnet, and then the door will start functioning properly. Like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos, and I'll see you some other time. Thank you.